Do you like science?
Yes, of course, I like science because it doesn't matter how I'm good in science, but at the end,
It doesn't matter whether I am good at science or not. Repeat. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter
whether
I am good in science
good
or not.
at
Good at science
or not.
or not. But I like definitely science because I think it's innovate our world, and science have many branches. So
Has.
that's why. When I was doing my electrical engineering, yeah, at that time I developed my interest in science. So
Okay.
answer your question is yes, I like
Well
science. very
done. Well done. I appreciate your energy and all that.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Let's go on.
Which science subject is interesting to you?
Most definitely my engineering subjects interest me a lot because I studied those subjects 4 years. So that's why I think my relevant subjects, for example, electrical engineering, power plant and distribution and AC machines as well. So I think my subjects I like the most.
Okay. This is good.
What kinds of interesting things have you done with science?
Well, I remember very well when I was in my last year and we have a project.
We had a project.
We had a project and we have to make a powerhouse. So we all four friends and group of our friends we working on our
We worked.
we worked on our project and we spent almost 2 months on that project, and I'm very happy that
I was very happy.
I was very happy that I will achieve my
Okay, good. Now listen, you need to focus tenses. If the question is in present, answer present, past, future accordingly. Okay. Overall, your reaction is positive towards the questions. The information you are providing, content of your answer is good. Some answers are too long. Their examiner will interrupt you and ask you the next question. That is normal. But at the moment, focus your tenses.
Okay, sir.
Right? Thank you.